Hey, what's up guys? It's Franklin Manop here, and right here in this video today, I am going to show you guys how we can make up to 200k monthly with zero capital. Yes, zero capital. You don't have any money at all, and this video is going to show you how you can make 200,000 naira every other month. Now, I actually get asked this question a whole lot of times. People reach out to me, Franklin, I actually want to get started with this particular thing or that particular thing, but then I don't have money, I don't have any capital. I actually had issues, and this happened and that happened and that happened. Most people do not have capital to start up any business, and especially in the new year right now, I actually felt the need to actually expose these simple secrets to you guys, yes, so that you can actually start up this very business for yourself, so that you can start making as much as 5,000 naira per transaction or 200,000 naira daily for yourself without capital, guys. So this is basically going to work for anybody, whether you are a student, whether you are a stay-at-home mom. If you don't have anything you're doing, you quit your 9 to 5 job, or you're looking for a side hustle to actually combine with whatever busy schedule you have or whatever thing you're doing online, right? Guys, I'm going to show you a simple proof so that you can see that this has actually worked for not just me, but for some other person I actually share this idea with. Now, this is this guy that actually came and reached out to me on WhatsApp, and we actually went on the call and I shared with him this simple secret. And this is this guy right now. He sent me this message: "Hey Franklin, good morning. This is to so much appreciate what you've done for me. The idea you shared with me, I made 200k this December alone." He made 200k December in 1 month, right? Funny how I started with nothing. I told you can start with nothing and you're gonna make up to 200k per month, and I'm forever grateful. And he says he wants to jump into my academy, right? The Affiliate Accelerator Academy. Like, guys, you can actually see my expression here. I'm just like, wow, congrats. I'm just like, it's explosive that someone can actually get this simple idea, and even with nothing in your hand, you can actually start this up and make up to 200k for yourself in a single month. Now, I'm gonna be jumping straight into sharing with you guys this secret, but then if you actually want to learn this, if you want to make money online using this particular method, go down right there in the comment section and tell me, yes, I want to make money online. Yeah, just go down there and tell me, yes, Franklin, I want to make money online. This is a new year, and guys, basically this is what I do on this channel. What I actually do here is to go ahead and do a simple research and check up on things that will actually help you to make money online. I help you get super results and help you to hit financial freedom. And once I actually see that it works, I come over to this channel and I share these ideas and secrets with you guys, all of the tips and tactics that you actually need to do in order to make money online. I share them with you basically so that you guys can actually do the same thing that I have actually done and you can get similar results, right? So if this is actually what you like, make sure you give this video a thumbs up right now, and also subscribe to this channel, smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. So jumping straight into this simple method. This simple method right here I'm sharing with you guys is what we call retail arbitrage, right? Retail arbitrage. And guys, most of you guys will have actually heard this word before, but then you are still thinking of how you can actually place it to make it profitable for yourself. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys the secret to make this super profitable right now. Now, coming over on my screen right now, you can actually see this is a simple question: what is retail arbitrage? And this is when you buy a product from a store or brand and you are reselling it at a higher price to profit from the difference, right? You buy a product and you are reselling this product at a higher price so that you can actually profit from the difference. Now, this particular thing here says buying a product. Definitely, it seems like, oh, I need money. But then I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do it, even if you do not have any money to start, right? Even if you don't have any money to start. And this is exactly what I'm going to be walking you guys through today. You need only 2 simple tools. You need 2 major tools in order to profit from this simple method I'm going to share with you guys today. And the very first one is going to a website called Gigi, right? Now I'm coming over to Gigi here. Gigi is a simple website you can see on my screen where they sell virtually everything. Everybody comes in here and wants to sell something, right? People are selling everything. You can actually see from the left-hand side category, from vehicles to properties to mobile phones to electronics to furniture and appliances, health and beauty products to fashion products, sports products, and even services. Guys, scrolling all through, I would basically say that there is nothing that is not on Gigi. And these are other people, mostly business owners or entrepreneurs, coming here to sell their product. Now, people actually come up to Gigi to find products that they actually want to buy, and they contact the seller and they go ahead and make purchase for this product, right? And this is where this idea comes in. Now, you don't have anything, you don't have any money, you don't have any capital to start, and you're actually looking at profiting from this simple transaction going on in this online space between a buyer who owns a product and a seller who is in need of the product that is being sold. Now, I'm going to share with you guys what you need to do in order to be a middleman between these two people, and you can profit from the difference when you can sell this product at a higher price, right? So the very first thing you actually need to do here is to do a research on your existing audience, right? You do a research on your existing audience. Now, this is the very first step, right? This is the very first step. You go ahead, you do a research on your existing audience. And the audience we're going to be using right here is your audience on WhatsApp, right? Your audience on WhatsApp, the WhatsApp on your phone. You guys all have WhatsApp on your phone. Do you? If you have WhatsApp on your phone, tell me yes in the comment section below that yes, you are using WhatsApp. Almost everybody watching this video right now will comment yes that they have WhatsApp on their phone. But then most people actually use WhatsApp for, just chatting and laughing and playing and all. You can run a successful 7-figure business from this simple app. So what do? You go ahead and you look through your existing audience. Now, I'm not saying you should go on and start, paying for ads and all of those things. No, focus on the ones you already have. Right, people you've connected with over time. And most times, for most people, this is going to be from your family, your immediate family, your extended family, your friends, right? Your friends and, maybe other people you've met all around, colleagues or something like that. But then this is actually a potential audience that can help you to make your first few sales using this particular method. Now, once you understand the kind of audience you have, you would have known what problem they are currently facing, right? What is that simple problem that these people are currently facing, right? So now I'm going to give you a very quick example so that you can actually use what I'm doing, and once you replicate it to your own self, you can get your own idea and you can begin to, make money from this simple method. Now, we already know that this season, it's actually a new year, right? Happy New Year, guys. Welcome to 2022. And because we're in the new year, one of the things you actually know is the fact that kids have actually been on holiday, right? The Christmas holiday and all. And right now, they're about to go on to resume school. So let's take, for instance, I have, quite a number of parents as friends, right? And I'm thinking of, okay, these people will most likely want to start doing back to school shopping. Right? These people will most likely want to start doing back to school shopping. This is exactly what most parents will be thinking about in this new year. So it is actually very important in this process that you actually understand what people want. And that this actually takes me to my number 2 point here, which is finding the hot selling product, right? Finding the hot selling product. Now, once you've looked through your existing audience, the next thing is to actually look out for what 3, 4, or 5 people would really need right now. What is going to sell? What is hot amongst these people? And they are going to be willing to buy these particular things at the moment. Let's say you have an audience of 50, right? You're looking at, okay, about 10 to 20 people would actually be in need of this particular product, because basically they are your immediate friends or extended family or something. So most people will most likely be in the same category, just like you are. Right? So you're like, okay, 10 to 15 of these persons would need this at this particular point. So in my own case right now, I'm like, okay, I want to do back to school sales, and I come over to Gigi. This is what I'm going to do. All right, the third thing here, listen, I come over to the Gigi, and I am looking for back to school products, right? I'm looking for back to school product. I just do a quick research on back to school, and this actually shows you different things that you can basically do. Right? It shows you different things that you can basically start, start selling. Right now, these are back to school shoes, right? So one of the best ideas is, okay, we have back to school shoes. We might also have back to school bags. And once you actually have these two, the next big thing is for you to now pick up, one that has a cheaper price. Right? You have to do a quick research, background research on these people. Now, this person here actually is selling back to school, shoes for 2,500, right? With the size of the shoe here. Now, basically, what I want to do right now is to go ahead and get in touch with this particular person, right? I want to get in touch with this particular person and actually confirm that this particular shoes are right in stock, right? I want to confirm that these particular shoes are available for purchase, right? So that we can actually map out our own process to sell and profit from it. So once I've been able to confirm from this seller that these particular shoes are currently right in stock and this person is genuine and all, the next thing we are going to be doing right now is to go ahead and promote these shoes. Yes, we go ahead and promote these shoes. Now, all I need to do is to pick up pictures of these shoes, or you could make a video around these shoes and start posting on your WhatsApp. Start posting on your WhatsApp, but then because it is retail arbitrage, these shoes currently will be selling for 2.5. I could actually even bargain with the product owner and be like, okay, I actually want to resell this product to a number of persons I currently am connected with, and they could even, do a lesser offer of, let's say, 2,200 or 2,300 for you. Right, so what I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and start posting on my WhatsApp. And while posting on my WhatsApp, I am going to sell this product at a higher price. Right, I'm going to sell this product for 5,000 naira. Honestly, 5,000 naira for a pair of shoes is actually not bad. Right, so I'm going to sell this product for 5,000 naira. And when I sell this product or put up this product for 5,000 naira, I'm actually going to be specifically reaching out to these people that I know that would be in need of this product. They're currently my contact. Now, the profit margin here for me is 2,500, right? The profit margin here for me is 2,500. And if I can actually reach out to about 10 to 15% that are currently in need of this particular product right now that I have in my existing contact, I can actually make about 5 sales, right? Yes, I can make about 5 sales. And guys, if you have actually been able to make about 5 sales, this is 12,500 naira you have at hand as profit. And this is something that you have simply done by just getting a product at a very cheaper price and you are selling it at a higher price and you are profiting from the difference. Right?
Hi guys, Editing Franklin here. So basically, you've seen this video. Now, I gave an example in this particular video on the product that I'm suggesting, but nevertheless, you can also do this on other products. Now, what I said is find a hot selling product. If you're able to find a hot selling product, then basically you are going to be able to do this perfectly fine. Because in as much as this is a seasonal product, you can also get hot selling product that sells all the year long. All right. Now, I'm organizing a masterclass, an e-com business mastermind, where I will show you everything you need to do from the scratch to the very end and how you can build an e-commerce business for yourself. I'll give you all of the secrets that have really helped me to scale. I'll show you the set of products you should start selling. I'll show you how to find those customers. I'll show you how to get them to actually reach out to you to buy your product. And I'll show you how to build your brand on this e-commerce product you have, right? Every of this process I'm going to expose to you, and also even how to actually get agents outside of the country, in China and everywhere, where you can actually finally use this agent to scale by importing your own products. Right, from the very get-go,
you're profiting from the difference.
Down to the very end, I would hold you by the hand and show you exactly how this works, exactly how you can actually implement this for yourself, and how you can scale. Okay, so that link is going to be the first link you're going to see in the description of this particular video. Go ahead, smash on the first link right there and get started with this for yourself. All right.
Now, in order to fully, flow on with the full transaction, at this very point, this person can actually make payment to you, right? This person can make payment to you if they actually can go through that route, and you go ahead and you purchase the product for this person. Now, why I said when you're starting out and you actually need to, focus on your existing audience is basically because they trust you enough to pay you upfront, right? They trust you already enough to pay you upfront. And if you can actually get payment, you go ahead and buy these stocks on Gigi. You buy these stocks from this person on Gigi, and you could also charge them for delivery cost in case they actually want the product to be delivered to them. You buy this stuff from this person on Gigi, and you can deliver the products to your audience. You deliver the product to your audience, and you have made 12,500 naira profit just by this simple process I've shared with you guys right now. This is something that you can actually do over and over and over again. But one thing I'm going to tell you is at the very point where you're actually profitable, you have money to actually do some more things, right? So you can actually figure out how to expand your reach. You could place ads on WhatsApp TVs. You could place ads on influencers, using influencers to actually put up ads. They wouldn't charge you much, like 2,500 or 3,000 naira. And once you can actually get it to more people, you can make more money for yourself, and at the same time you can profit a lot, right? This is what this guy did right now, and I shared with him, and he has done 200K in just 1 month. And you can also do the same. But then guys, when you speak about ideas like this, people with different mindsets would actually begin to start castigating and wanting to make you push that idea to the side. But on the other hand, if you can actually go through and implement, right? That's basically what you need to do. Implement this simple strategy I've shared with you guys right now. You are going to be profitable for yourself in this January alone. Many people are doing this right now and they're making a lot of money. And if you want to make quite some cool cash for yourself, then you can also jump ahead and utilize this simple idea, right? There are different issues. It mustn't be the shoes you're selling. You can sell different other products from different other categories: fashion, beauty, health, lifestyle, it could be vehicles, it could be properties and all. But the major thing here is when you can actually consistently do this and keep on growing your audience and make more sales for yourself, you can make up to 200K per month using this simple strategy I've shared with you guys right now. Guys, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up right now, and also subscribe to this channel, smash on the bell icon, because all through this year you're going to be getting a whole lot of cool content like this one that I'll be sharing with you guys, where I'll be sharing with you guys all of these secrets to make money for yourself online. And this is it for this video today, guys. I hope you guys really love this. And with this, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.